is up, YouTube?
What up?
Just said that fans.
Fans? You got fans now? Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and
Just so Dav again with another unboxing.
Alright, so he doesn't really know what, he just got off the school bus not too long ago. He doesn't know what came. He's not getting anything this time, but it's alright. He's still here to help me out. I'm going to try to have him in every single unboxing that we have on this channel. I'm going to do my best to make that happen.
We're going to have some unboxings on my channel also. So.
Once again, I'll link his channel down in the description below. Yeah. But I do have two different sneakers that you can see right here to unbox today, and we're gonna get right into it.
Double it, 2.
All right, we back in a minute.
We here. We back in the building.
What? Anywho, all right, so we're gonna get into these unboxings.
Fresh.
Like I said before, I use multiple different ways of finding deals to get different sneakers for my collection. I'm going to try to slow down because, as all of y'all know, all the releases that's coming up, especially in February, I need to save some money or I'm going to have to rob a bank.
No.
So I'm going to get these two sneakers here. I might get one more sneaker this month. What?
The spoiled one was in there.
I didn't say what was in there. I said 2 sneakers. You don't even know what's in there.
I don't either.
Anywho, we're gonna crack into these. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna let Josiah open.
Again.
I'm gonna let him empty the contents again, and then he's gonna see. We all gonna see what we got. Let's start with the white one.
The white one.
Let's get right into it.
Jesus.
No, I don't play around. I don't play no games.
Ooh, the red one. The red one.
As y'all can see from the box, hold on, let me hold the box first time. I'll let you empty it. As y'all can see from the box, y'all know what this box is. Y'all already know what this box is.
I don't know what it is.
Size 10.5. Colors we got in here. It just says Sail and Varsity Red. So Josiah, without further ado, can you crack that for us? Peel this off.
Opening it up.
Got the Nike box. Got the receipt here. Ooh! Look at those beautiful.
I don't get why it came with a red and black box. It's just red and white.
It's a OG Jordan 1 box. They all come in that box.
Do they?
Yes.
Do they have different colors?
They have all different types of
but
colors.
I want some.
So as y'all can see, this is the Sail.
Don't I already have these?
Not this color. Sail and Varsity Red Jordan 1. This is beautiful. You know what I've always wanted to say? I watch all these other YouTubers, shootubers, whatever you want to call them. Oh, look at the quality of this leather. Look at it. Oh, it's just a beautiful sneaker, man. Once you put it on your foot, you know, you rock it, you finesse it how you want to do it. I don't get caught up in how the suede and how the leather feels and all that other stuff. Yes, quality is important. And look at this tumbled leather all over this.
Oh, you can feel
this,
it
baby.
In the inside.
It feels good on the inside too.
Yeah, it feels real good.
Got the Nike Air on the inside of that thing. And look at this color. It's not white. This is Sail.
That's like it's like a white.
It's like an off-white,
It's like a real light white with a real light gray.
Yeah, it's look like a mixture of some things, some colors, but it's really, really nice. So as y'all can see, this is one. Now the other sneaker is gonna be completely different. A lot of y'all. Oh, and I got these from East Bay on sale. Got a
East
notification. You don't know. No, East Bay on sale for $104. $104. All right, we'll be right back. $104. That's a good deal, son.
No,
Once you get a job, you'll once you get a job, you understand. $104 for these. We'll be right back. I'm gonna show y'all what's in this box. I did not get this from East Bay. I got this from somewhere else. Be right back.
This
OVE.
This big box.
All right, so we back for the second sneaker, the last sneaker for the day. I appreciate y'all rocking with us through this video so far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, please.
Both of us.
Yes, but please like and subscribe to this channel.
This takes us a lot of time.
It doesn't take that much time, but
it takes kind of a lot of time to edit and all that.
Yeah. So we appreciate y'all rocking with us. So without further ado, let's get into the second box. See what we got. Oh, this is taped up good. Oh, they didn't want me to get into this one. Let's see. There we go.
It's like your weight isn't working.
There we go. Oh, it's working. Oh, it's working.
Double tape.
They take this all the way down. So this one came from eBay.
eBay.
Another great deal. I'm hoping.
Wow. They really boxed that
Yeah. Full beast mode. As you can see, now this one, I know what this is. This did not come from the ASICS store, but as you can see, it's another ASICS box, just like the last video.
I don't know what it is.
And like I said, ASICS run about a half size small, but when I seen these, and it was the last one, and the price on these was $39 and $8 shipping, so $47. I got my actual size 10.5, and I just have to cram my feet in these joints. Oh, here, go ahead. You show the people what's going on.
I'm opening the box.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh! Let me get both of those Jones. Let me get both of those Jones. Oh, look at these. Now, once again, just like I said in the last video, now these have, this is Roy G. Biv right here. This is the color of the rainbow. They got every color on this thing. These, I'm going to call these the Captain Americas right here. But as you can see, you got
the blue.
They got blue, they got teal, red, they got a teal, they got a white, all in one midsole. They got
teal.
Yeah, they got the teal sock liner.
It's like
it's gray. Everything is on these joints, man. ASICS always come through with fire colorways. Oh man, it's just another dope sneaker to add to the collection. I'm excited. I can't wait to find out what I'm gonna rock with these two. And I'm going. Joso has a surprise coming. He doesn't know it yet. He doesn't know what it is. I'm just gonna leave it that you got a surprise coming. But he's gonna do that unboxing on his channel. So if y'all want to see his unboxing when it comes, he doesn't even know what it is.
I don't.
I'll put his
For me, it's like what's in the box.
Exactly. I'll put it down in the description below. You can go to his channel and check that out. I'll let y'all know when it's coming. But thank y'all for rocking with your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and Joso Dav. I love this dude. I appreciate him so much. Let me know down below how y'all feel about these two sneakers. Oh, I done slid these on. We got 2 today. It's been 4 this week, I think. So we got ASICS and we got the sale ones. And we're gonna try to make February legendary. We're gonna try not to take any L's. You know, y'all know how difficult it is.
February legendary.
But exactly. So we're gonna try to make it good. We're trying to make this channel grow, and I appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Were these steals? 104 and what I say? $47. East Bay, eBay.
East, eBay. eBay.
OBE. I love y'all.
eBay.
Holla at y'all later.